Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Fiesta screen. First, let's identify common issues like a frozen display or no power. We'll then cover simple troubleshooting steps you can perform yourself. Understanding these initial fixes can save you time and money, helping you decide if a professional is needed. This guide aims to get your screen working smoothly again with easy-to-follow advice. Let's start with basic troubleshooting. A soft reset often resolves minor glitches. Simply turn off your car, wait a few minutes, then restart it. Next, locate and check the fuses for your infotainment system. A blown fuse can easily cause a blank screen. Finally, if comfortable, gently inspect the wiring connections behind the screen unit to ensure they are secure. Moving on to more advanced checks, ensure your Ford Sync software is up to date. Outdated software can cause issues. If problems persist, a factory reset of the infotainment system might clear persistent errors, but remember this will erase personal settings. Also, visually inspect the screen for any physical damage, such as cracks or pressure marks, which could indicate a hardware fault. If you've tried these steps and your Ford Fiesta screen is still not working, it's time to seek professional help. A qualified technician can perform a deeper diagnosis, identifying complex electrical issues or internal hardware failures that are difficult to fix at home. They have specialized tools and expertise to safely repair or replace components, ensuring your system functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.